What is HACCP? A preventive food safety system. HACCP stands for Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points. It is a scientific, preventive system used to ensure food safety by identifying, evaluating, and controlling hazards before they cause harm. Why HACCP is important? Prevention is better than correction. HACCP focuses on preventing problems rather than testing finished products. It helps control biological, chemical, and physical hazards, ensuring safe food, regulatory compliance, and consumer trust. What are food hazards? 3 types of risks. Food hazards fall into 3 categories: biological hazards like bacteria and viruses, chemical hazards like cleaning agents or pesticides, and physical hazards like glass, metal, or plastic fragments. What are critical control points? Points where control is essential. A critical control point, or CCP, is a step where control can be applied to prevent or reduce a food safety hazard. Examples include water treatment, filtration, heat treatment, or metal detection. The goal of HACCP: safe food, every time. The goal of HACCP is simple: produce safe food consistently. By identifying risks early and controlling critical steps, HACCP protects consumers, brands, and businesses. Thank you for watching.